hot buttered toast, creamy avocado, thyme-buttered mushrooms, Persian Fetta, soft poached egg and caramelised balsamic. This is short order cooking. The actual cooking time is a total of 3.5 minutes. Therefore, it's important that all the prep work is done before the cooking begins. I work on about one really large mushroom or a handful of smaller mushrooms per serve. Slice them into about 1 centimetre slices. The mushrooms are flavoured with fresh thyme. I usually use between 1 to 2 sprigs per mushroom, stripping the leaves from the stems. I find the easiest way to fan an avocado is by slicing the avocado thinly all the way through, then gently pressing down to fan the pieces. It looks attractive and it's quick and easy. Caramelised balsamic is different to regular balsamic. It is thick, sweet and syrupy. It is readily available these days at most supermarkets, or you can make your own. A squeezy bottle is the perfect vessel to drizzle it with. A good knob of butter to fry the mushrooms in. Persian Fetta, you could use Danish Feta instead, which is also soft, but in my opinion, Persian Feta is the most delicious feta. And this container cost me $10 AUD. A little goes a long way, and the oil is so good and can be used in a myriad of ways. Good quality bread sliced on the diagonal and then buttered or oiled, ready for the pan. Some free range or farm fresh eggs are the best. I poach literally thousands and thousands of eggs working as a breakfast chef. It's simple once you know how. At the end of this video, I've included my tips and tricks for anyone that may be interested. Short order cooking is all about getting the timing right. Pans have been heating up on a medium heat for a few minutes and are nice and hot. In the hot pan goes the butter and then the mushrooms and the thyme. Tossing the mushrooms in the pan until they are all coated in the flavoured butter. Into the hot pan goes the bread, and I carefully crack the eggs in the water and set a timer for 3 minutes. The mushrooms need to be fried quickly over a medium-high heat before they get the chance to release any water, and this takes less than 3 minutes. I toss them every now and then, and when the 3 minutes is nearly up, I turn off the heat, sprinkle with a little black pepper and salt, and toss one last time. I fish the eggs out of the pot with a slotted spoon and place on the prepared pan to drain. Hot buttered toast, creamy avocado, buttery mushrooms, crumbled Persian Feta, soft poached egg, caramelised balsamic. Trying to film short order cooking was a challenge. I wasn't happy with the photo for the thumbnail, so I made another serve of this dish, the one you saw at the start of this video, and poor Mike had to eat all 3. Okay, so you have to eat another one.
Well, then what's that punishment for?
What do you think, Mike? Delicious or not?
Well, that's very delicious. The first 2 were very delicious. Look at this beauty.
And do you reckon you can eat that one?
Easy. Gordon Ramsay, watch out.
There's a tiny bit of liquid in an egg, just about 1 to 2 mils, that is best left out of the poaching pot. You can crack your eggs into a superfine strainer momentarily and then into the poaching pot, or you can try to reserve just a tiny little bit when cracking the egg directly into the pot. I hope that makes sense. Vinegar your water, a good couple of tablespoons, just plain vinegar, and the water should be on a good rolling simmer. Crack your eggs into the pot, trying not to overcrowd it, and set your timer for 3 minutes. The eggs will immediately reduce the water temperature, especially if they're out of the fridge like mine. Wait until the water comes back to a rolling simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and carefully stir the water, separating the eggs if need be, just once. Drain on a paper towel. I like using a clean tea towel underneath as well. I find 3 minutes to be the optimum poaching time. If your eggs are jumbo size, increase it to 3.5 minutes, and that's it. Oh yeah, I always throw an extra one in, just in case. One of these 3 eggs were a bit dodgy, but still completely edible. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.